Okay, this is lunch today. We got Italian submarines from Augustino's. These are the real deal here.
Yeah. They don't look like much, but they taste fantastic.
Oh, well, we got the mortadella in there. We got the provolone. We got the salami. We got the hot ham, capicola. We got vinegar and oil.
Yeah.
A little tomato, a little onion. This is a real submarine sandwich.
Not Jimmy John's, not Jersey Mike's, and certainly
Jersey
not
Mike's.
Subway.
There's a Jersey Mike's on the way to Augustino's, and I'm thinking, who is the idiot that is stopping into Jersey Mike's instead of going 2 blocks and going up to Augustino's? I got a pizza from Augustino's last night.
How was it?
It was good.
Okay.
It was your real Chicago thin crust cut and squares pizza.
Oh, yeah.
That the people of Chicago really eat.
Did I tell you the story about my daughter on the Augustino sub sandwiches? I brought half of this to my 21-year-old daughter, and she's by no means a sub sandwich fan, okay? Because all she knew was Subway.
Yeah.
I said, try this. Oh, Dad, sub sandwiches are... Anyway, a lot of disparaging remarks. And within 5 minutes, it was gone. After
I bet, yeah.
And I said, how was it? She said, it was good.
Well, everything at Augustino's. That's in Carroll Stream, Augustino's on St. Charles.
Yeah.
Out here in DuPage County, there's a lot of people that used to live in the city. There's a lot of Italians, Irish out here that used to live on the west side of the city, and the Italian food out here is really good.
Yeah, well...
You know, and one kind of a parrot, I don't know, the old school Chicago folk ways and food, it's a lot easier to find now in the western and southern suburbs than it is in the city.
Oh, yeah. We're overran by folks from out of state.
You know, because a lot of the city is gentrified now, and you know,
a lot of the young people moved in after graduating from universities.
I call them youth ghettos.
A lot of bars, though.
Yeah.
A lot of bars.
And people say, well, where can I find an Ohio State bar? Well, why did you move to Illinois if you wanted to go to Ohio State bar? You know?
Michigan,
Yeah. Anyway, this is lunch today, and we thought, we are the Chicago Horn Loudspeaker Guys. We're also the Chicago submarine sandwiches, pizza, Chinese food.
Italian beef.
Yeah, we know all the joints.
Yep.
Okay, well, anyway, we're going to have lunch.
Yep.
Thought to show you.